Your grocery shoppers are moving online. But has your business moved online yet? Whether you have just started selling online or planning to launch your online marketplace, here's how you can promote your grocery business in 10 simple ways. Identify your target audience and market size. Then create an effective SEO marketing plan. Provide information your customers need. Offer ease of shopping to your customers. Create a simple and flexible online shopping experience. Carefully position your brand in the industry. Market your online marketplace offline. Socialize your online marketplace. Experiment with an entirely brand new approach. Integrate core online grocery experiences. Now, empower your local grocery business with these strategies and cope with the ever-changing e-commerce ecosystem. Still, confused about why you should move your grocery store online? Well, it encourages sales, saves money with no additional costs, and saves time in operations. So, scale your retail grocery business with an online grocery solution from Set Commerce. Check it out now.